Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I'm coming to you today with our haul from Community Yard Sale Day in a neighboring town. It was me and Augie and Katie. We had so much fun and we were so exhausted by the end of it. Got some really cool things, some regrets of things we didn't buy or didn't grab fast enough, but I'm really happy to share with you today everything we got. I'm gonna move. These are some tobacco baskets that my son got for me from Aldi. And I just need to move these somewhere so I can get to the first thing I'm going to show you. My husband works for Frito-Lay. He also has a couple of old potato chip tins. So I got this for him to go with the other one. I think the other one is small enough I can set it on top and make it stacked. I paid $10 for this. Not cheap, but it's for us, for personal, and I'll pay up a little bit more if I'm not reselling it. So I got him that, and at the same yard sale, they had a lot of Egyptian stuff. Katie got like an Egyptian planter and things like that, but I got this Egyptian basket that has the lid and a handle, and it's super duper soft, and I love it. Give me just a minute, my phone's ringing. Okay, I had a kid run to the store for me this morning and she needed some details. Next up, this is not in order that we picked anything up by any means. It's just what I have by me. So a couple of years ago, 2 years ago, it was before my accident. My baskets just fell. We had gone out to the sales on this day as well, and we found this cute little boutique with vintage items, and she had a sale again today. So I made sure that was one of the stops we made because I really enjoyed her sale the last time she had it. I had gotten like a strainer with some beautiful little violets in it and some other vintagey cool stuff, but she was mostly sold out because she said Friday was amazing for her, which I'm really happy for her. She's a bless, but you may have seen this in my last video. Just a cute little crusty little bucket with a little flower, little cute violet in it. I think I paid $5 for it. I love this kind of stuff, so I didn't have a problem paying that. And then also from her sale, I got some enamelware plates. So I got two with navy, and yes, they were $1 a piece, with navy on the edges, and then two of them with black on the edges. And these are the legit thing, rusty, crusty goodness. I just got those black cups, and this might look really cute with those. We also got, I know what we'll do next, from another sale. It was a vintage sale, and we hit this one on the way home. I got an old wheel with lots of chippy goodness on that. This is going to go up front for personal decor. I paid $10 for that wheel. I also got stuff from my uncle this past week. I should have put in my last haul, but I'll save that. I got an old enamelware, ginormous coffee pot. Huge. $5 for that. And that will most likely go outside as well. And this is definitely going outside. The bottom on this is so rusted out, it's missing. But it is, I love the patina on it. I love this. It obviously needs cleaned up, but I'm really looking forward to getting that outside as well. Next up, one of the other last sales that we stopped at on our way home, no less, had this big tub of baskets, and we thought it said $2 per basket, which was a good deal because I was looking at this one, which I really liked, and I was looking at this one. So I was thinking $4, right? No, turns out the whole tub was $2. So not only did I get these two amazing baskets, I've got this one, not my jam. I don't know if I'll donate that back or what. This one. Wait. This one, and I love these long baskets. This might get like a darker stain on it or like antique waxed and then resold. This one, again, not crazy about the color, but I can turn around and sell these for $1 a piece and be making my money back. That one, I love this one. This actually matches this. Too funny. Didn't even see it because it was at the bottom of the bucket. This little one. Oh, and can you see the detail on that? And this one. So not only did I get all those, but I got the big plastic tub they were all sitting in. So, score. I mean, how do you pass something like that up? Let me move that bucket out of the way. Trying to make a little bit more room and make some sense of it. Okay, so another sale. I got this plant stand for $1. A lot of times I will spray paint these a bright fun color to put outside, or just white and distress back to that black. I got at that same sale this old wooden bucket that they used as a planter for $1. I got an old frame. Things are falling. I think I paid $1, maybe $2 for this. And I got it because I love painting frames, and it still had glass, so I can make a sign or whatever with it. And she told me that it was an older frame, and she was really happy that it found a new home. So, really happy with that. I don't remember if I got anything else from that one. We got at a different sale from a free pile. I'm sure they put a jar and just glued all this together. I would probably pull off the ribbon and use these for some other purpose, but we have 2 of those and they were free. We got, oh my gosh, a window, a 6-pane window. I'm gonna see if I can lift this. I'm not sure I can. This was $5. Needs cleaned. It's disgustingly dirty, but $5 on an old wood window like that with all the panes of glass intact is just an amazing deal. We got, this is a wreath stand or a plant stand. It's got a cast iron base, a little fleur-de-lis on top, the hook for the wreath or the sign. That was $3. And from another free pile, we grabbed, hey, you can see all my good stuff. We grabbed this. This is plastic, but it will paint up well and it'll distress back to this gold and look just super fancy. And that was literally on the side of the road as we were driving. I got this. This is just part of a table base. I got it for the spindly legs because these can be cut down and used for multiple projects. This was $1, like for real, $1 for 2 cool legs. I saw at other sales where they had just like the legs off already and they were selling for $2-3 a piece. I'm not gonna pick this up because it's kind of heavy. I might lift it a little bit. I paid $5 for this and it's a long. It is heavy. It will get repainted because I'm not crazy about that green. I love farmhouse green. You all know that, but that is definitely not one I really care for all that much. What else? Oh, we got these baskets. I got these baskets before I bought my thing of baskets, but they're little bamboo and there's 2 sizes. The bigger one was $1. The smaller one was 50 cents. I do plan most likely on at least whitewashing these to give them just, I don't know. I like them. I don't like them that much. I got this little birdie for $1. I may paint him. I may not. He's precious. He's cute. And let's start over here. So I got a bread box for $1. You all know I love doing bread boxes. The handle is still on here. It's just kind of swinging free. There we go. But that was $1. And you know I love doing these. It's kind of cool looking one. It's got like the dovetail joints you can see here. It's the lighter, newer wood though, so it's definitely not old. It's just kind of cool. I got a hook for 50 cents. I like painting these up, distressing them back. They screw right into the wall. We have one in our mudroom. I have one downstairs that holds my transfers. They're just useful and everyone needs storage. So why not make it cute? At another yard sale, I got this cute little picture. I love it. I don't know. I will probably keep this. I paid $1 for it. It's adorable. I don't know. What do you say to something like that? It's just stinking cute. And at that same sale, yes, I know it was 80 degrees when we went yard sailing. But guys, I live in Minnesota. We all know winter's coming back around. And when you can find cute mittens that are toasty warm, they've got a liner, you grab them because we're going to need them. And these were 50 cents, so I grabbed those. I also grabbed, at a different yard sale, 25 cents, an old grater. Now, I'm going to put up here in one of the corners what I do with these, because I use these, but I hang them on the wall, you guys. The one I have over on my wall right now, I have some lavender in the top, and then it holds a towel, and I'll make sure to post a picture. This was a quarter. I can sell that easily for $12 to $15, no problem. With the towel and the flowers, no problem. I got from a free basket just a little green vintage scoop. Those are always useful. I have a set of them, and we actually use them in our cat food. I got a Pyrex bowl for $1, and it's actually got a good sheen. It does have some scratches. It's not in the best condition. I actually might keep this one for myself, just because this is the type of bowls that we use in the kitchen. It was $1 though, so that was a pretty good deal on that. I got a free plastic egg holder. Y'all know we have chickens, and we keep our eggs on the counter because, you know, they're farm fresh. They have the nice good seal on it, the bloom. Anyway, so I'm going to use this for our eggs. May even use it in the fridge. Who knows? I paid $1 for this cute wood-handled vintage stainless steel. I love it. I absolutely love it. I wouldn't use it. I would totally be decor. West Bend aluminum ware, or premium ware. Aluminum. Super cute for decor. A couple more things left. I got some vases. I have these in clear, and I love them so much, but I like getting on occasion when you can find this teal glass. They're just super duper pretty. So grabbed that one, and I don't remember what I paid for it. I think this one here with the thicker bottom was $1, I think, and it's Hoosier glass. Actually, this was in a free box. I found this on the way out. It was in the free box. And a free vase, heck yes. And then I paid $1 for this. I do believe it's a grinder of some sort. Now I can't remember what it was for, but vintage coolness. So definitely grabbed that. This coffee mug holder, the mug holder was $1. This will get cleaned up, distressed, or cleaned up, sanded, painted, distressed. Super cute. I can throw mugs on here. This thing will sell. These sell good for me. I don't know about anyone else, but I like those. I paid up a little bit for this next item. I think I've talked about these before. These were our Hearth and Hand. I paid $7 for the set of 3. These ones are the bigger ones, not like my little one that's a box, but it's a set of 3, and they have the little windows in all of them. Okay. How cute are those? Aren't they adorable? Super cute for decor. Can be kept out for every season. You can add little fairy lights inside of them to light them up and have that light come through during winter. They're just adorable. I may keep those. I may not. I haven't decided. And then, last, I just had some old drawers from my old cabinet, old metal cabinet. And there's 2 of these. I paid $1 a piece on these. I don't know what I'm going to reuse them for, but they're fun, and they actually would look cute in some decor with, you know, some old spoons or something. I don't know if you can see that. Got mess going back here. But some old spoons or something laying in the back of them, or some short florals, or, you know, we've got some options. I'm going to show you my sad little plant here that needs repotted, so don't judge because I know it needs repotted. But, you know, use it to hold your plants. How cute, right? I mean, these have got endless possibilities for $1 a piece, and it's just got that patina on it. I love them. So those, 2 of these, and I won't change anything on them. If anything, I'll just seal in all that chippiness so that it doesn't get on anything. And I believe that was the majority of it. I did pick up some cute little name brand clothes for Char. I picked up a few other pieces, like Augie got a hoodie. We got a helmet, an ATV helmet with the goggles. We got a hockey stick. I mean, stuff that we got for the kids, obviously isn't in my haul. Katie has her own haul. She got a lot of planters and some plant stands and some fun stuff like that. So we had a great time. We did not actually spend all that much money. I went and counted afterwards and I was like, oh, I was well under budget. Totally thrilled. Really happy with what we found. So stay tuned for how we're going to redo all these awesome pieces we just got and stage them up so you can see how beautiful you can make something. And speaking of, I've got up here, I don't show you guys very often, like the finished pieces. I just got to move some stuff, but I have a couple things up here. Okay. I think I had showed you this little one before. This was just a little wood craft project that we painted up, stenciled. I threw some florals in there. It's super, super cute. I mean, adorable, right? I can't remember if I showed you these ribbed jars. I just painted the wood lids all the way through. The seals were still perfectly fine. I put some grain sack striping on them. These are a set of 2. And these are available. I had these up here so I could take good pictures with good lighting, because lighting in the basement's terrible. And last but not least, Char was playing with this and has a little bit of her drink on it. Is a Lazy Susan, again with some grain sack striping and nice and distressed. You can see where the milk paint chipped off. I love it. I think this one turned out super cute. It's been sealed in so you can use it on your tables without any worry. Hence, it's why Char has stuff in it and I'm not even that upset. But yeah, those are the things that some of the things that are finished. I just had these ones up here so I could get them listed. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions, make sure to ask below. I always respond to my comments. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.